Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is leftover pie. Not leftover pie, but leftovers pie. This is my wife's suggestion to find a recipe to use the leftovers from a roast dinner. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. These are the leftovers we are going to use, but you can utilise the same idea with whatever you have. First, we bring a pan to the heat, melt the butter and add the onions. Continue to cook till the onions start taking on some colour. Next, we add the tablespoon of flour to the onion and butter mixture, mixing well and cooking off the rawness of the flour. When you cook the flour out for a minute or two, it's time to add the stock, splash at a time, stirring continually until a nice oniony sauce is achieved. Then place the potatoes to one side and put the stuffing, chicken and carrot and swede into the pan and mix through. Then thoroughly mix the leftovers into the mixture, adding any remaining stock or water if necessary to give you the consistency you require. When all the leftovers are thoroughly mixed together, salt and pepper to taste and put in a suitably sized oven-proof dish. Next, we prepare the potatoes. Simply put the potatoes in a saucepan or a bowl and using the potato masher lightly crush the potatoes. We're not looking to mash them, just crush them. When this is done, simply spoon the potatoes over the chicken mixture. And yes, I know the potatoes won't peel before we cook them, but believe it or not, that's how we like them. The peel goes really crispy when it's put in the oven. And talking about oven, the next step is into a preheated 180 degrees C oven for about 35 minutes, or until the potatoes are all crispy and the chicken mixture is bubbling hot. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.